All right, this is commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. I think, yeah, this is like the 7th one. You should have did the first one here, which this is, it has the examples of the different properties of what to do. Commutative property, commutative property of multiplication, and tells you how things move, but don't mean to make you sick. This one is saying, can you recognize a commutative property? Now, commutative property is you have something and then the order just changes. So for this one, when I look here, I have a -4, a -4, W, and a 7. So then I should have a 7 and a -4. So this has a -7, so this one's no good. So it can't be this one. That one goes away. So this one says 2 and plus 8z, so on a positive 8z. So that means I have an 8z, and it should be a +2. So I don't see a +2. No good. This third one, I have an 8x, and a 7y. So I should have a 7y and an 8x plus an 8x, which I don't. So that goes away. So it has to be this one by default. So I have a -2 and a -4x. So I have a -4x and a -2. So yeah, that's straightforward. That'd be a commutative property. So commutative property things go up, and then they go the opposite. Associative property, the only thing that happens in associative property is the parentheses move. So associative property, parentheses move. So let's see which one has a parentheses moving. So I have 9 plus 4 inside of parentheses plus 6. So I should have, if they switched, I would have a 9 and in parentheses 4 plus 6. Nope, can't be that one. This one, it starts here, -9 times 6. So the parentheses should shift to -6 times 9. Yep, and this one is one that works. These other ones don't work because, actually, wait a minute. Oh, no. This one doesn't work because the negative would be distributed, which would make this plus. So it looks like this one shifted, but this one wouldn't work. So when you shift it, because of the minus here, the minus gets distributed. This becomes -6. This becomes +4. And that becomes plus. So that's why this one doesn't work. It's a weird case, but that one doesn't work. And this one doesn't work because these are negative, and they're here, they're positive. So it's definitely this one. So here's the associative property. When it goes over addition and subtraction, you got to watch it. Associative property won't work with subtraction, with just shifting the parentheses. It will work with multiplication, but it will not work with subtraction. It will work with addition also. So addition works, multiplication works, will not work with subtraction, will not work with division. Let's see what else we got here. Associative property. Distributive property, pretty simple. Distributive property, the easiest way to remember it is it starts off with parentheses, then the parentheses disappear. But it starts off with parentheses and things get distributed through. So this inside is minus. So I got 7z plus 7. What ends up happening is this minus goes here. So it turns this from positive to negative and turns this to positive, negative. So this one's no good because only the back with the negative, they both should be negative. The first one's no good because the parentheses really didn't go away. You still have parentheses, so it really didn't go away. So the first one's no good. This one, oh, well, this is reversed. So I start off without parentheses, and now I have parentheses. That would be distributive property because I have a -8. Let's see, wait, -8. And that'd be negative there. I would say more this one, but this one's actually wrong. Because when I'm looking at it, there's no right answer. Actually, yeah, that would not be the right answer. This is the closest answer. This should really be minus, so I'd go with that one. Let me see a different distributive property one. I'm going to check the answer for number 9. 9 they said was A. Okay, I guess A is right, because this one's definitely wrong. Well, technically a -7 was distributed to all, so that's my mistake. A -7 was distributed to here and here. But basically you're supposed to get rid of parentheses, but a -7 was distributed, so my mistake. Oops. This one's the second one, so let's see. This one's no good because the -6 has to be in both places, and this is +6. This one, this is it. It's got to be B. Because originally they both were positive. Now one's negative, and the other one's negative. So that's got to be it. This doesn't work because the negative would have to be, it has to be negative here. This would have to also be negative, and it's not. This one doesn't work. So that's how